In order to allow Pakistanis to use cheap water boiling tools, this traditional handicraft workshop must make them by itself. Although their production methods are relatively backward, fortunately, the materials used are all genuine. Before these, the masters would first use a chisel to make the pipe mouth smooth, and then install the heating resistor wire inside. Because these steel pipes are all produced by their small workshops, the masters on one side will use a hammer to knock and shape a position where the arc is not suitable. In order to improve production efficiency, the masters on the other side still use manual methods in this process. The degree of control needs to be all based on feeling. After taking the good resistor wire, the master will install it on the head of the spiral spring and use pliers to shape the head into a hook. The purpose of this is to make the resistor wire. When the master is finished making the resistor wire, the inserted resistor wire cannot be moved into place due to the long length of the steel pipe. The pre-shaped hook can play a role. It can be pulled out with steel wire to ensure the insulation capacity inside the resistance wire. We will install a leather cover at one end for sealing and then pour coal powder on the other side. The role of coal powder is not only to fix the electric heating wire, but also to play an insulating role. And it also has good thermal conductivity. For the shaping of the surface of the hot block, we will use special manual tools. After a lot of operation, the main body of the hot block is quickly completed. To improve the insulation capacity between the steel pipe and the electric heating wire, Master Bian will use the dense glue to seal and then install a special sealing ring to prevent leakage during subsequent use. To improve the aesthetics and corrosion resistance of the hot block, they will then carry out a treatment. First, they will pickle and remove oil and then wash with water. Then they can carry out electrical treatment. This process is relatively easy. We have completed the treatment quickly. After that, we only need to assemble the power cord. To prevent leakage at the subsequent interface, we will use a special injection molding machine for sealing. This traditional water boiling artifact, it was finally finished in 10 minutes. What do you think of their craftsmanship? If it is out of 10, how many points would you give?